beam. To determine the mass of the body, correct up to 1 milligram using physical balance. Apparatus. Physical balance. Fractional weight box. The body whose mass is to be determined. Physical balance consists of a metal beam B. It consists of a knife edge at its center pointing downwards. This knife edge rests on a horizontal flat top of a brass rod. There are other two knife edges on ends of the metal beam. Two pans are suspended from these knife edges with the help of a stirrup. There are two nuts at the end of the beam. At the midpoint of the beam, there is a long pointer pointing in the downward direction. This pointer moves on an ivory scale fixed at the bottom of the brass pillar. The pillar has support on either side of it, which rests the metal beam when not in use. There is a brass rod at the end of the metal beam which is connected to the handle H at the bottom of the wooden box. When the handle is rotated rightwards, the beam is raised and it is said to be in use. There are leveling screws provided at the bottom of the box to make it perfectly horizontal. There are glass doors provided to the wooden box. When there are no contents in the left and right pans, the left turning points L1 is equal to 5, L2 is equal to 5, L3 is equal to 5, and the right turning points are R1 is equal to 4, R2 is equal to 4. Mean turning points left is equal to 5. Mean turning points R is equal to 4. Mean of two means L plus R by 2 is equal to 4.5, zero resting point, or ZRP. When there is a weight of 28.580 grams on the right pan, the left turning points are: when there is a body placed on the left pan and a weight of 28.580 grams is placed on the right pan, the turning points on the left side are L1 is equal to 6, L2 is equal to 5, L3 is equal to 5, and the right turning points are R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 4. Mean turning points L is equal to 5.33 and the mean turning points R is equal to 4.5. Mean of the two means L plus R by 2 is equal to 4.915 HRP, higher resting point. When there is a body is placed on the left pan and 10 milligrams of weight is added to the previous weight, turning points on left L is equal to L1 is equal to 5, L2 is equal to 4 and L3 is equal to 3. and the right turning points R1 is equal to 4, R2 is equal to 4. Mean turning points L is equal to 4. Mean turning points R is equal to 4. Mean of the two means L plus R by 2 is 4. LRP, lower resting point. Mass of the given body correct to a milligram. Zero resting point X is equal to 4.5 divisions. Higher resting point Y is equal to 4.915 divisions. Lower resting point Z is equal to 4 divisions. Correct mass of the given body is equal to mass at HRP plus P. Fraction of the mass P is equal to 0.01 into Y minus X divided by Y minus Z. Substituting the values of X, Y and Z in the equation, we get 0.01 into 4.915 minus 4.5 divided by 4.915 minus 4, which is 0.01 into 0.415 divided by 0.915. We get 0.0045 grams. Mass at HRP is equal to 28.580 grams or 28,580 milligrams. Fraction of mass P is equal to 0.0045 grams. Therefore, correct mass correct up to milligram is equal to 28.580 grams plus 0.0045 grams, which is 28.5845 grams. Precautions. Scale pans must be clean and tidy. The base should be made horizontal using the leveling screws. While adding or removing weights, the beam should be at rest. The body to be weighed should be placed in the left pan and weight added to the right pan. The beam should be lowered or raised gently to avoid damage to the knife edge.
दोस्तों, आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट करके बताइए। यदि अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए।